All right, well, I didn't update the vlog at all last night, so that episode's just gonna end, but last night was a fiasco.
That's a cool camper, actually.
Are you filming?
I am.
I always have to ask if you're filming. So that,
Why?
Because if I'm on the record, I gotta watch what I say.
I'll just cut it out if it's bad.
Well, no, it'd be funny. It's the internet. What's the worst that could happen?
We get famous. So we didn't put the rain fly on at first, then it started pouring, so we put the rain fly on. And then it rained for more of the night. First of all, no one's weather app said it was gonna rain. They all said no rain. Can we agree on that? And then we slept on a puddle last night.
4 hours.
So yeah, that's cool. On top of all that, Carlos was sleeping over in that hammock, and then we woke up and he was gone because he was sleeping in his car.
It got hot.
Hot?
Yeah, and there
baby.
was bugs.
Hey,
Well, it was like
Mr. GoPro.
I got wet.
You're about to see a Dream Boys Incorporated vlog.
Show them how it's done.
GoPro, where are we?
Where is it? Button Bay, right?
Yeah, Button Bay.
Yeah. Something like that.
Holy, that's what my hair looks like. Damn, I didn't even look at it yet.
He looks like some villain from something. I don't know what though.
Let's say...
You see it?
I don't know.
Dude, from Meet the Robinsons.
That's the second time we've referenced Meet the Robinsons.
But that's how his hair is like. On the
That
side.
movie's still relevant.
Still around. Look at that.
Views.
Nice. Hey, look. There's a hammock because Carlo Baby somewhat slept in it.
Yeah.
We made it to Burlington. Carlos is trying to kickflip once again.
I'm
We're in
not.
the city.
No, that was just Nolly.
Oh, my bad. I just saw him do something.
He did nothing, actually.
I had a backpack on. That was a first timer alert.
First try.
Here's a flip out of manual for you.
All right. Awesome. Just cut his leg open. Now I have to go to the hospital.
Sunglass hut, baby.
Oh, nice. So Carlos is out on the skate park. The other three went biking. I didn't really want to spend money on a bike.
And
Allie didn't quite fit
unfortunately,
on
I
it.
can't fit.
So we're trying to find this coffee shop. We're down this weird
Mommy
alley
made
right now.
coffee.
What's it called?
Oh shit! The Pub Cafe.
A pub cafe. Hopefully it like actually has coffee and not just alcohol. This will be pretty lit up down here. We
Yeah.
got the lights.
This is kind of like a.
I'll do a coffee rating for a mall.
Yep.
Alright, so we didn't go to the one place. We went to Onyx Toxicology Coffee. Taste test. I got the
Cheers.
cold brew. Yeah,
It's not bad.
not horrible. Not the best.
I got a latte. I got a mocha latte with oat milk. Oat milk's actually good.
Is it? Good to know. Good to know.
But I think this needs more mocha.
I just like coffee, so
Yeah, it's not bad.
not too
It's
bad.
not Dunkin' coffee.
See how high you can launch it?
Alright. It's decent.
This place is cool.
It's nice and cozy. It's old school.
Alright, well, yeah. Oh my god.
Take my GoPro out on the rock.
Did you see how close that was?
We're on the wrong side of the mountain.
This is all washed out.
Andrew, what happened?
We went with followed my GPS because we didn't have the exact address, and we ended up on the wrong side of the mountain as the rest of our group. So we have the right address now, but we're literally just on the other side, 4 miles away of the mountain. We have to go all the way around the mountain.
And how long did it take?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
What?
What just happened?
We just passed a weed farm. Marijuana. Mary Jane.
How do you know what weed looks like?
Don't even.
Ooh.
Don't even. It's, everybody knows what it looks like if you went through middle school.
Could have been poison ivy.
Oh my bad. Sorry, it was a poison ivy field.
Another 5.
Right, when it smelled like weed.
And it smelled like weed.
Well,
Not that I would know.
Like?
Because I know people.
Careful, what is that? Horse crossing.
Horse crossing.
Yeah, I'm not watching horse.
Hey!
Alright, we're on mountain hike number 2.
See.
Morale's low. I don't know if we'll make it. So far, not too bad. Didn't start off with like giant boulders like the last one.
Yeah, well, I think really just rocks.
Giant rocks.
Hey, make sure you don't make a comment about how I'm wearing the same shorts as yesterday.
Also, JD's wearing the same shorts as. Oh, sorry.
We're just hiking the same day.
My bad. Yeah, this is the same day. We're doing 2 mountains the same day. Even though it was like afternoon in the other one, and it's definitely earlier in the day today.
24 hours.
With the power of movie magic, it will be the same day, right?
Yes.
Just
No,
kidding.
everybody else changed.
Because I'm breaking up all the videos into days, so. Crystal clear water. Who wants to jump in?
I would.
We've all seen the Lego movie, right?
Those definitely have Dookie in them.
Honey, wear my pants.
Honey, you haven't seen it, then we're watching it tonight. Yeah.
Where's my
Lego
pants?
movie and Lego movie 2.
Lego Movie 1 was the one that had that. That was like everyone's favorite TV show. Look at this rock.
That's not a rock.
It's a big bitch.
That is a big bitch. Certified big bitch. I would know.
Just like your mama.
Yes, you would.
All right, we're at break number 1 up the hill. Everyone's thoughts so far?
Fucking
Thumbs
stupid.
up? Oh, geez,
Harder than
okay.
I
I'm
thought.
doing alright.
I want to die.
I'm sweating. Can you see my sweat?
I think
A
so.
little not alright.
This 4K is gonna show up beautiful. I think you just fogged up my camera.
Did I?
Life is meaningless.
Do you want to put this in your bag? Carlos thinks life is meaningless.
I don't.
We'll put it back in Carlos's.
Yeah.
Sorry,
I
bud.
don't think I have room to put the
Put it in that one.
Yeah, put this in the big pocket.
Bam.
Oh, why did we bring it? Holding that one up.
Oh, good. It's a rock.
Okay, this is sick.
This doesn't look.
Where we're supposed to go?
I think so. Check it out.
Was it worth it?
Oh, Jesus. Did you guys not see that rock?
Oh my god.
I'll sit on it.
Yeah, I gotta get a better view of that. Wow. There's another great view. This time we're going
That looks
on.
like an eagle. Like those things on the top of the Empire State Building.
Oh, yeah, yeah. We made it down the mountain. Record time. We're gonna try to hit up the Ben & Jerry factory and the REI outdoor store. And then get to the hotel for safety. Because my tent is taking a beating. Yes. So we're on the way. We made it to Ben & Jerry's. Our order is not complete yet though. But curbside pickup's over here. I'm sure it's really cool inside, but we're not gonna get to go inside because it's closed.
Wow, that's weird.
Because of COVID.
All chocolate chip cookie dough, non-dairy, the fudge brownie. Yeah, and the cookie and brownie. Yeah, guys, go. Thank you so much. Everything right side. Okay, thank you.
What's your thoughts on Ben & Jerry's? Pumped?
Yeah.
He's just dead in the back.
Woo!
Yeah, we killed him.
I've seen it. You know better. Thank you.
Yeah, I moved. I moved.
Ben & Jerry's.
Oh, yeah, we just got curbside and just realized we could have went in. Dumb. Check it out, check it out. Are we good with it? That's cool. You want to get my picture? Using again. We'll just make Carlos do it. We literally just. Is Carlos? Where's he at?
Carlos.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Ready?
So we got instructions. We're following circles. We're just waiting on Carlos. But are you doing it right? You gotta get the other one too.
Wait, what's
Oh,
so
switch.
fast?
You gotta go faster. You got 8 seconds to finish sanitizing. You have a huge swab on your pinky. There you go. All right, that one done. You did it. Perfect. All right, let's go around and we'll just get Carlos. It's a flavor graveyard. Who knows what's there? Here's a cool Bois. Pretty neat. There's Ben and Jerry. The man, the myth, the legends. We're gonna find the flavor graveyard here at Ben and Jerry's if it's open. Not sure if it is. Find out. The rest of the group went to the top of a mountain. We're at Ben and Jerry's. The flavor graveyard. We must go.
Oh, you're good.
Up the hill to the flavor graveyard. It's getting a little eerie. I can feel lost souls around. If we don't make it back and you guys find this video, tell them it was delicious. This is actually like, this is like a legit graveyard. It's kind of fun. I have to be quiet. I have to be respectful.
Respectfully, you idiot.
Piss on the grave.
The devil took the blame for all the rich.
Dang, man, they were just hacking them off the list in 2001.
Is this like actually kind of interesting?
Yeah.
This will go up. This will make Vermont go up on the list a little bit after
Yeah,
all the
this is
fiasco
kinda
we've been to. Jeez, this one died 3 times. That's rough, bro. Economic crunch. There's so many in here. I can't record all this. You think they come back here and dig up any of the graves and bring them back?
Oh, what if there's one? You think they bury one? They have to bury one.
I bet you they do. You think they bury one?
I bet they bury one.
Ben and Jerry's conspiracy, they bury one of the cartons with it. The last carton that they have is buried. Not any of these ones, they're dead.
Yeah, I guess.
Except for that one that lived 3 times, but
Yeah, it could go for
it was like a vampire. They thought it was the wooden stakes, but that didn't work, so that works.
Oh, I should have done sweaty balls
Where's that one?
right in front of you.
Do it. I think that's the worst sounding one.
Yeah. This one deserves to be danced on.
Came out in 2000. It was a holiday season limited batch. Who came up
There you
with
go.
that idea?
There we go.
We're just totally disrespecting graves. No big deal. So they're like actual tombstones. Like this is like granite. They went and got granite to make, like, look at this. You think they like pay for these?
Dude,
Like what?
the words are backwards, so I wonder if people are gonna think it's a name. It's like a real grave.
They might. But yeah, seriously, this is like, they like buy actual
Okay, let's
tombstones
go.
for this.
At the end, what?
They buy like actual tombstones for this. Like,
Ready?
that's not a fake tombstone. Great. Well, that was a cool experience. I don't think any of them died from corona though. There's no casualties for corona here, so.
Thank you for visiting our dearly depinted.
Is that seriously what it says? No way. That's too good. Well, I didn't bring any flowers to leave for any of my favorites. I don't think there were any of my favorites there, but I think we're on our way to our hotel now because it's like dangerous to sleep outside because of a hurricane that's heading this way.
People are gonna get so annoyed with.
Got a hotel room. But we're going to leave to get food,
I hate
so.
that this is like, we need to call them and figure out what they want.
Ask on the hallway. Explain yourself.
Stop.
I won't bash you for that action, but I will bash you the next time you bash Andrew.
Listen.
We won't tell you what
You
just
can't
happened because
see, I didn't
no,
see that
it's okay.
intersection.
It's totally understandable because it's like a 6-lane road right here
People
for no
make mistakes.
reason.
It's okay. We're trying to teach you.
But that was
This is what.
kind of terrifying and hilarious at the same time.
Yeah, I'm kind of glad I wasn't looking.
I was and I go, oh Jesus, we're going the wrong way. Hey, it happens to the best of us though. It really does.
It does.
It never happened to me.
Nah, shut up.
You're second the best of us.
Whew. I literally, you guys.
They're going in.
I don't know if they can see my face or what's over there. But why in the world?
No one has drive-throughs.
There's no drive-throughs in Vermont. Is that illegal? Is that not a thing?
It can't, maybe it's just this one.
You can go in.
No, I'm not kidding.
You can go inside.
I know.
But
can you?
yeah.
Well, they just did.
Yeah.
But still, I'm confused on why they don't have drive-throughs.
This isn't the only one though. Like
The Dunkin' Donuts don't have
didn't
drive-throughs.
have one.
They have it set up like a drive-through. There's literally a window right there. This makes zero sense. Vermont is getting lots of negative points here today.
Dude, they almost did good with the graveyard, but
Well, that's just Ben and Jerry. Ben and Jerry did good with the graveyard.
yeah, it wasn't really a Vermont thing.
We're not there yet.
Oh, it makes it taste
We're not
weird.
there yet. Well, oh, you're fizzing over. All right, so we got McDonald's. We're still waiting on the other group to get back. They're lost forever. I've been criticized earlier that I've been pointing my camera at the sky the entire time, which you guys can freak off. But Virginia is definitely going down in the ranks today. God, you got me saying Virginia! Oh my God. Dang it. I meant Vermont, because I honestly forgot Vermont was a state until we got here.
Same, dude. I've never heard that word in so long.
That's kind of bad, because you never see Vermont visiting Michigan. Anyways, they lost more points today because paper straws. I get save the environment, but then like you're using a plastic cup that
Paper straw.
just use the plastic straws. No one likes paper straws. Got it. Oh, drive-throughs. They didn't have drive-throughs. We mentioned that though.
Oh, they do extra pickles, but not mustard and ketchup. So.
Oh, well, that sucks. Well,
How many pickles are
we'll update you on what we think of Vermont /
No, there's more.
sometimes Virginia, depending on who you ask. Yeah.